Back in January, Dr. Jennifer Ashton was in Haiti treating earthquake victims when a badly injured baby who'd been trapped for 4 days was pulled from the rubble. Dr. Ashton resuscitated the child. She was nicknamed Baby Jenny. Later, Baby Jenny was airlifted to a hospital in Miami, but perhaps the most amazing part of her story was still to come. Dr. Ashton is here with an update for us this morning on Baby Jenny, and that video must get you every time when you see that little tiny face.
Yeah, it's hard to watch, Erica, because there were so many stories like this. This, of course, was one of the most dramatic. This baby, who was just a couple of months old, was under rubble for 4 days when she was found, pulled out without any parents around, seemingly, and brought into the medical facility in which we were working, and we were able to resuscitate her and stabilize her. She was in critical condition before she was able to be airlifted to the United States.
And you got her on that flight at the very last minute, as I understand it.
Well, actually, this Dr. Arthur Fournier from the University of Miami, who was at this tent hospital, was really instrumental in getting her on that flight. The plane was just about to leave, and he said, we've got to get this baby on, and luckily she was able to get on.
So they get this infant on the plane. She gets to Miami. She has surgery. She's doing better, we're told, but this whole time people think she's an orphan.
That's right.
A little bit of a change in that story now this morning.
Exactly. So DNA testing has confirmed that her parents are alive and well. They're in Haiti, so they will be reunited with her. And we really need to mention here, Erica, there were so many people involved in getting this baby's story out there, in resuscitating her and getting her back to good health. You know, people tend to focus on the doctors involved in this, but we can't do our job without nurses. And we were lucky at this facility to have a neonatal intensive care unit nurse. There were pediatricians there who helped resuscitate her. So she had actually specialty care in the setting of the Haitian earthquake, which was just unbelievable.
Well, almost unheard of when you think about all the death and destruction we saw. It's so nice to have a good story here. Her parents, as you mentioned, that DNA confirmation.
Yep. So
hopefully the three of them will soon be reunited. And
exactly.
boy, what a great story to have a hand in as well.
Oh, it's incredible. You know, babies are so fragile. They get sick quickly, but they also recover quickly. So hopefully she'll be fine.
Miraculous little creatures, as we know. Jen, thanks. We'll be checking in with you a little bit later.
A lot happens early on The Early Show, weekday mornings on CBS.